Hello and welcome to the first episode of Creative Cast. So I would like to introduce Sarad sir, who is co-founder of ASDM. Hi Sarad, how are you?
Hi.
So आपकी जर्नी कहाँ से स्टार्ट हुई डिजिटल मार्केटिंग की?
Well, thank you for inviting me for your podcast, and this creative communication team is really doing very good. Uh, Let me tell you, digital marketing was never a choice, it came by force. The reason was very clear. I actually did not intend to get into digital marketing field. पर एक बार ऐसा I was running my own institute. It was a management entrance exam coaching center. और जब it was a time wherein I was totally depending on a company, a private limited company, who was providing me leads. And it used to charge around 2.5 lakh rupees per annum. In those days, I'm talking about 2012, 13, 14, where 2,50,000 per annum was a big amount. One day I got an idea that if that private limited company who is providing me leads, if that business gets shut off, what will happen to my business? From that phobia, from that fear, we started to think out of the box. And we understood that we can do something wherein we get direct leads. This led to an invention of thinking out of the box strategy, which led me to get into something called as internet marketing. Let me tell you, digital marketing is last 5 years this word has got famous. Before that it was email marketing, and before that it was just an internet marketing. Dhire we started to understand and realize that by focusing more on Google marketing, which now we call it as अब के लोग उसको पे पर क्लिक कॉन्सेप्ट बोलते हैं, बट पहले गूगल मार्केटिंग बोलते थे.
राइट.
तो गूगल मार्केटिंग से मुझे लगा कि वी वर गेटिंग एक्सक्लूसिव लीड्स, जो लीड सिर्फ और सिर्फ मेरे पास आती है और किसी के पास नहीं आती. एंड इट वॉज वेरी इजी टू कन्वर्ट इट, नंबर वन. नंबर टू, दिस got me into a total pool marketing concept where I don't have to get inside convincing. I get leads which are already convinced. I thought, wow, this is good. So I started doing research on it. My partner, my business partner, Mr. Love Tyagi, who did a lot of research on website ranking. How a website can be ranked organically on Google. And from that, how can we generate leads? This exclusivity brought us into the field of digital marketing. And today, I'm very happy to say that in Gujarat, we are one of the leading brand in digital marketing.
सो फ्रेंड्स, आपने देखा कि डिजिटल मार्केटिंग में बहुत सारे अलग अलग पहलूज होते हैं जो सर ने अभी एक्सप्लेन किए. उन्होंने अपने लाइफ की जर्नी स्टार्ट की डिजिटल मार्केटिंग की एक ऐसी कंपनी से जो प्राइवेट लिमिटेड थी. उनके यहाँ से बाहर निकल कर एक आउट ऑफ द बॉक्स थिंकिंग लाके फिर उन्होंने एक इनिशिएटिव लिया जिससे वो सक्सेसफुल हो पाए. राइट सर?
यस, एब्सोल्युटली.
सो क्वेश्चन मेरा ये था कि जब आपने ये सोचा कि मुझे ये कंपनी से बाहर निकल कर खुद का कुछ करना है, मेरे पास जो थिंकिंग है उसको मेरे को लाइव लाना है, तो उसके लिए मैं क्या करूँगा, आपका फर्स्ट स्टेप उस टाइम पे क्या था?
I'll tell you, one of my friend told me that I am starting my own imitation jewelry kind of business. It was a work from home business. I'm talking about 2013. So she told me that I want to start it and I want to learn from you. How can you market my product? Okay. So I said, okay, come to my center. I'll explain you. I was knowing a bit of Facebook marketing at that time. It was very new. You know, 2014 में Facebook marketing was very new. तो मैंने we did a lot of research, of course. बहुत सारे उसकी बुक्स खरीद के पढ़ रहे थे, क्योंकि उस वक्त इतना सारा भंडार नहीं था जो आज अवेलेबल है यूट्यूब में इतना सारा. तो वी यूज्ड टू डू अ रिसर्च ऑन इट. और मैंने फिर धीरे धीरे ये ट्राई किया कि क्या मैं कुछ कर सकता हूँ. तो फेसबुक पेज कैसे बनाते, उसमें ऑर्गेनिक मार्केटिंग कैसे कर सकते, उससे लीड्स कैसे मिल सकती है. एंड मैंने आउट ऑफ क्यूरियोसिटी ये सब काम शुरू किया. And to our surprise, our team was totally flabbergasted when we came to understand that she started getting lots of calls. And she was telling कि भाई शरद, my messenger, Facebook messenger is full of inquiries. So I got an idea. अगर यही चीज़ मैं लोगों को सिखाना शुरू कर दूँ तो, क्योंकि जब मैंने शुरू किया डिजिटल मार्केटिंग सिखाना, तब गुजरात में डिजिटल मार्केटिंग सिखाने वाला इंस्टीट्यूट नहीं था. सर्विसेज प्रोवाइड करने बहुत सारे कंपनीज थे, लेकिन वो सिखाना इट वाज नॉट पॉसिबल. तो मेरे पास 2-3 बच्चे आए, एक वापी से था, और वो लोग ट्रेन से ट्रैवल करके आने के लिए रेडी हो गए मेरे पास, और ये बताने के लिए कि भाई अगर आप डिजिटल मार्केटिंग सिखा रहे हो तो हम आएंगे आपके पास. 1-1.5 घंटा ट्रैवल करके आते थे और 1-1.5 घंटा ट्रैवल करके जाते थे. फ्रॉम दैट आई गॉट द स्पार्क, यार डिमांड तो है इसका. टुडे दैट स्टूडेंट हैज़ बिकम अ सेंटर मैनेजर ऑफ माई सूरत सेंटर. But the point is, then धीरे you got to know that yeah, it's working. People are coming to me and now they're asking me, can you teach me digital marketing? तो मैंने मेरी टीम बिठा दिया. Let's design a program. 3 months digital marketing course, only 20,000. We started with 20,000. Then 25,000. Then 30,000. Today we have launched a program which is 1 lakh rupees. It's a 6-month program. We call it as professional program in advanced digital marketing. In Gujarat, you will not find any such programs. Right. So why we did it? Because there is a demand. And I'll tell you, this is not only demand. मेरे साथ पढ़े हुए, I mean not पढ़े हुए, लेकिन मेरे से पढ़े के बहुत सारे students ने, they have tried a lot. Opening an institute, opening an agency, opening a lot of things in digital. I'm very happy. लेकिन वो एक expert positioning नहीं आ पा रहा है. Why? The reason is they are only conscious about money spinning business. Well, what we are doing is we've got a vision of promoting entrepreneurship.
What is promoting entrepreneurship?
मैं आपको बता दूं, promoting entrepreneurship means what? Today you can see creative communication has become a brand.
Right.
Today, if you look at it, people are looking at this. Why? Because they want to get some good ideas. I was very much happy with the video launch of you and there was another student, Srinath, I guess, right? And both of you did a small act, and when I looked at it today, in my sessions, I'm showing those videos, and I'm telling, because I am from a forte of content marketing strategy. And I always say that content is not just what comes in a form of a text. It can be video, it can be audio, it can be a color, it can be emotion, it can be expression. Anything that gives you a message is a content.
Right.
Okay, so we are working for a vision of creating entrepreneurs. So we are creating young entrepreneurs in the market right now. Now, of course, you will ask me, what is the meaning of creating young entrepreneurs? I'll tell you. You are the example of it. You people who were supposed to be my students before, and now today you started your own company. And let me tell you, creative communication is a brand today. This is entrepreneurship, right? So the vision is to make each individual capable so that they can stand alone and they can be a standalone entity. So I'm very much happy. I have not only given a growth to my company, but I have given growth to several students and several corporate startups where they can get into a headshot start through digital marketing concepts.
So friends, आप लोग ने देखा कि डिजिटल मार्केटिंग करके हम इतनी अच्छी ग्रोथ ला सकते हैं. कोई भी फॉर्म के लिए, पर्सनल ब्रांडिंग के लिए एक अच्छे लेवल पे हम उसको ला सकते हैं. हमको उसमें डेडिकेशन से मेहनत करनी पड़ती है बस. अभी हम बिजनेस को थोड़ा साइड में रख के पर्सनल लाइफ के बारे में बात करते हैं. सो आपकी कॉलेज लाइफ के बारे में थोड़ा बताइए.
Yes, why not? See, I did my BCom from GLS Institute, and then I did my MCom from Gujarat University, and then I did my postgraduate program in planning and management from United World School of Business, and then later on I studied my masters. The same PGDM program from Singapore, and my major subjects was always marketing. This I got to know in the first semester of my MBA, when I got the highest mark in marketing subject, right, in the whole class, let me tell you. तो वहाँ से I got to understand that यार marketing में तो I am able to do good. The only good thing was that I was not reading anything in marketing. But whatever questions they used to ask me, I used to answer through case studies. I always had a good habit of reading case studies. Right. Starting and most importantly, I was reading case studies of how Tata in Cubicle got into success stories, how the Forbes 500 companies made their wings up. And I was more interested to understand how startups work. तो ये सारी चीज़ें ना, वॉट एवर आई यूज्ड टू रीड, आई यूज्ड टू पेन इट डाउन इन माई एग्जाम. तो मेरे जो प्रोफेसर्स चेक करते थे ना, उनको ऐसा लगा कि ही इज एक्सपर्ट. एक्चुअली ऐसा कुछ था नहीं. तो फ्रॉम दैट आई गॉट टू अंडरस्टैंड, यार मैं कुछ भी लिख रहा हूँ ना, मेरे को अच्छे ही मार्क्स आते हैं. So I got to understand I should select marketing as my majors. So I took marketing as my major subject, and international business was my minor. जो आज मैं कुछ कर नहीं रहा हूँ international business के context में, लेकिन marketing, yes, it was my forte.
So बेसिकली बिजनेस स्टार्ट करने के बाद हम लोग ऐसा सोचते हैं कि एक पॉइंट के रीच करने के बाद हम बिजनेस को ऐसे ग्रो करना चाहेंगे जो फाइनेंशियली फ्रीडम जिसे हम टैग देते हैं वो कैसे अचीव कर पाएँ.
See, let me tell you, every business has got a limitation. And one of the common limitation of every business is limited capital.
Right.
So, let me tell you, I started business with 0 rupees. I did not had anything to invest.
Bootstrapping the money.
Yes. But let me tell you that it's all about how are you able to think and how are you able to convince others to invest in your business. There are many startup stories I have heard, I have listened, I have read, wherein people have started with 0 rupees, but they've got the best of ideas. And people are ready today. Let me tell you, people are ready to invest if you've got good ideas. In my case, there was no outside investments. But one thing was very common. I and my business partner, we had one thing in common, कि कुछ भी हो जाए, we have to grow. So first 2 years we did not take anything from whatever we were earning. और बहुत दुख होता है जब आपके पास 50,000 आ रहा है और वो 50,000 दूसरे हाथ से किसी को दे रहे हो, एंड आप देख कर ही दे रहे हो. यू आर नॉट टेकिंग इट अप अवे, राइट? यू आर नॉट टेकिंग एनीथिंग एट योर होम. बट देन ओवर अ पीरियड ऑफ टाइम फिर ऐसा हो जाता है कि ठीक है, व्हेन यू पास ऑन थ्रू दिस अगेन एंड अगेन एंड अगेन, यू गेट स्ट्रेंथ. फिर आता है कि ठीक है, चलो यहाँ से 2 लाख आ रहे, वेरी गुड, अब हम 2 लाख का खर्चा कर सकते हैं. अगर 5 लाख आ रहे, वेरी गुड, अब हम 5 लाख का खर्चा कर सकते हैं. सो मी एंड माई आई एंड माई बिजनेस पार्टनर नेवर हैड एन इंटेंशन टू टेक मनी एट होम एंड टू हैव मनी कलेक्शन एट होम. बहुत सारे स्टार्टअप्स आजकल क्या करते हैं, स्टार्टअप करने के बाद ये सोच लेते कि મને ઘરે કેટલા મળે છે. દેટ્સ અ ગુજરાતી માઇન્ડસેટ. આ બધું છોડો, તું બાપાઓ એવું પૂછે, ખબર છે કે આ બધું મોટું મોટું કામ કરે છે, 10 કલાક બહાર રહે છે, તું ઘરે કેટલા લાવે છે એ કે. એટલે એ માઇન્ડસેટ જ ખોટી છે. કારણ કે તમે ઘરે કેટલા લાવો છો એના પર ફોકસ કરશો ને તો પછી તમે ક્વોલિટી નહીં આપી શકો. બિકોઝ યુ આર ધેન ઓનલી ફોકસિંગ ઓન હું કેટલા લાવું છું. તો યુ આર બિકમિંગ પ્રાઇસ કોન્શિયસ, યુ આર બિકમિંગ મની કોન્શિયસ, યુ આર બિકમિંગ કોસ્ટ કોન્શિયસ. એટ દેટ પોઈન્ટ ઓફ टाइम यू आर लेगिंग बिहाइंड टू एन इम्पॉर्टेंट पॉइंट कॉल्ड एज क्वालिटी कॉन्शियसनेस. तो ये हमने कभी नहीं. डे 1 वी हैड नंबर 1 क्वालिटी प्रेजेंटेशंस. Day 1 we had a professional quality presentation. आज की डेट तक we got the same. अहमदाबाद, बड़ौदा, सूरत, हर सेंटर में you find the same quality consciousness in each and every services or products that we are dealing with. This is the key secret.
So आपके हिसाब से डिजिटल मार्केटिंग का आगे फ्यूचर क्या है?
See, let me tell you, within 5 years of time, digital marketing is just going to be like MBA and engineering project. MBA, it was time wherein, 1990s, 2000, people used to say, hey, આને MBA કર્યું છે. Now today, what is MBA? Okay, fine, MBA કર્યું છે, ઠીક છે, okay, બીજું શું? What else? MBA is very common today. Engineering is very common today. In 5 years, digital marketing will be very common.
It's like booming with cryptocurrency.
Exactly. But the one who has got a out of the box thinking is always going to shine bright in this field. So even after 5 years, even if it's going to be a competitive market, if you are quality conscious, trust me, you can dominate it. और digital marketing में कोई seniority नहीं होता. Even I am 4 year, 5 year, 7 year old institution, but somebody who is a new fresher in the market but has got a good idea, he has got the same opportunity. Right. इसीलिए everyone who is planning to make career in digital marketing needs to be quality conscious, need to learn digital marketing, need to practically implement it, and then if you are very clear about what you are going to give out of the box, then even 10 years down the line you'll have no problem in this field.
सो मैंने कई बिजनेस में ऐसा देखा है कि जितने भी बिजनेसेस स्टार्ट होते हैं, यंग एंटरप्रेन्योर्स की बात कर रहा हूँ, वो मैक्सिमम 5 years डाउन द लाइन बंद हो जाती है.
करेक्ट.
तो
मेरे पास एक नहीं, दो नहीं, 50 से ज़्यादा एग्जाम्पल्स हैं मेरे खुद के स्टूडेंट्स के. दे स्टार्टेड अ कंपनी, 1 year, 1.5 year, 2 year down the line, they not only close it, but they are wiped out from the market. Either they are thrown out, either they themselves shut it down. Why this is happening? Are you knowing this? Because it's easy to open a business, but it's difficult to run it for a longer period of time.
सस्टेनेबल पीरियड ऑफ टाइम.
Yes. Why? Because आज ना ये किसी ने खोला कंपनी और वो 5 लाख कमा रहा है, तो चलो मैं, बिकॉज मुझे 5 लाख कमाना है तो मैं ये खोल रहा हूँ.
बट वी आर नॉट सीइंग द एफर्ट्स.
We are not looking at, we are just looking at the growth and glory of the money coming in. But let me tell you, डिजिटल मार्केटिंग फील्ड में पैसे की लालच से शुरू करने वाले लोग नहीं टिकेंगे. Let me tell you, digital marketing is a field of creativity. Digital marketing is a field of innovation. Digital marketing is a field of rejuvenating thinking. The phrase we call it as old wine in a new bottle. So you've got the same wine, you change the sticker, the whole appearance changes. Right? You who is going to get into the digital marketing field, you yourself plays a very important role. It is said, no, gun is important, but the man behind the gun is more important. Correct. So you are that man behind the gun, and if you are expert, digital marketing easy for you.
सो अभी जो कोरोना की सिचुएशन चल रही थी, उसके पहले वाले सिचुएशन में आपके बिजनेस में क्या इम्पैक्ट रहा और उसके बाद में अभी उसका क्या इम्पैक्ट हो रहा है?
I tell you, the minute there was a lockdown, 21 days lockdown, when I got to know, I got a call from Intas Pharmaceutical company, and the senior marketing person calls me up and says, "Hey Sharad, we've got a lockdown of 21 days. Are you free?" I said, "Yeah, of course, we are free. Why? What happened?" "We want to run a short program, digital marketing, but that will be online program. And in this 21 days, I want you to train bunch of my candidates for one particular division." So I said, "Okay, I'm free. Let's start it." You will not believe, वो इतना सक्सेसफुल रहा, वो 4 दिन का प्रोग्राम विच ही इंट्रोड्यूस, वो 4 दिन किया, फिर दूसरे 4 दिन कर रहे, फिर दूसरे डिवीजन वाले कॉल कर रहे, फिर यहाँ से कॉल आ रहा है, वहाँ से कॉल रहा है, उनके ही. एंड आई एम वेरी प्राउड टू से कि मैंने लॉकडाउन के दरमियान आई पर्सनली हैव ट्रेन्ड 500+ people, marketing people of Intas Pharmaceuticals. I was the one person who did this, of course with the support of my back-end team at ASDM. But this lockdown was very hectic for me. And then after lockdown, I was thinking that probably this will impact bad on my institution work that I'm doing, training and faculties and all this thing. No. Today we are at the same stage as we were in 2019. No change. क्योंकि demand is booming up day by day, and then this lockdown has enabled everybody to think online. जो लोग कभी भी Zoom पे नहीं आए, in fact मैं बताऊँ, Zoom first time I heard after lockdown. Zoom, Microsoft Team meetings, Google Meet, कहाँ हम जानते थे पहले? Thanks to this lockdown that we started thinking in this parameters. Schools में टीचर जो 40 साल तक कुर्सी से खड़े होके कभी पढ़ाया नहीं है, कैन यू इमेजिन वो लोग हेडफोन लगा के कंप्यूटर के सामने बैठकर सेशंस ले रहे हैं? दे हैव टू डू इट एज अ पार्ट ऑफ द ड्यूटी. दिस हैज एनेबल्ड एवरीबडी टू गेट इनटू ऑनलाइन मोड, एंड दिस इज समथिंग विच इज अ गुड थिंग. वैसे नहीं होता. वर्क फ्रॉम होम का कल्चर ये लॉकडाउन के बाद ही तो आया है. सो आई थिंक इन अ वे, दो मेनी बिजनेसेस हैव बैडली अफेक्टेड ड्यू टू दिस पैंडेमिक, but I think it has also given a new horizons, new possibilities, new opportunities to many business.
तो इससे हुआ भी क्या कि लॉकडाउन की वजह से एक ऐसी चीज़ की पॉसिबिलिटी खुली जिससे नेटवर्किंग बढ़ने लगा
Yes,
सभी कंपनीज के
exactly.
लिए।
Yes, people are very active on LinkedIn now.
हाँ, जो लोग 50 मीटिंग्स अटेंड कर रहे थे वो एक साथ में 50 मीटिंग्स कंप्लीट करने के बाद भी 100 से भी ज़्यादा लोग एक साथ में मीटिंग
Yes, and the best part, you know what, was that like you sitting, you know, sitting in a blazer with a good shirt, having shorts here, this
Yeah.
side, you know. Why? And this was very common. I'm sure you're laughing, but this is very common.
Yeah.
This was very common during this lockdown. तो सब लोग ही ना ऐसे बैठे, लेकिन आई ऑलवेज मेरे टीम में जितने भी सेशंस लेते ना तो मैं देखता हूँ, फिर मैं यही चेक करता हूँ कि ये सिर्फ मैं ही अकेला इस तरह से ट्रेनिंग ले रहा हूँ क्या, बट एवरीबडी इज कंफर्टेबल एट होम आई थिंक, यू नो. एंड व्हाट आई अंडरस्टूड मोर इम्पॉर्टेंटली इज दैट द इम्पॉर्टेंस ऑफ योर कंटेंट. The content is the most powerful weapon with you. If you've got a good content, anything is going to be worked in market. But if your content is not good, things are not going to work.
सो ये कोरोना की वजह से एक ये चीज़ भी हमको सीखने मिली कि एक क्यूबिकल में रह के जो हम काम कर रहे हैं वो हम घर पे बैठ के भी कर रहे हैं.
कर सकते, yes, absolutely, absolutely. But that does not mean that now you should carry it forward. Now things are opening up,
Yeah.
opportunities are opening up. People have started getting vaccines now. So I think phobia and fear must be eliminated, and you should only focus on your business growth.
Yeah. थैंक यू फ्रेंड्स फॉर वॉचिंग क्रिएटिव का फर्स्ट एपिसोड. सो ऐसे और एपिसोड देखने के लिए स्टे ट्यून्ड.